Well, hi, ladies. It's Beth from Be Styled. Time for Tipsy Tuesday. Welcome. Quick exercise that I think is very valuable as we sort of come to the end of the season, like it or not. And I try to do this, I try to tell people to do this every season, but we're talking summer. Go to your closet, and I want you to look at two categories of clothing. The clothes that you wore on repeat over and over again, like your go-to favorites. Identify those. And then you're going to look at the things that you just never wore. And the first category, the things that you wore on repeat, I want you to really think about like what it is about them that you were drawn to. Was it they were just comfortable? Was it they suit your lifestyle that you have in the summer? Or was it just that something that you just absolutely loved? Really think about it. If you're a writer, take some notes. Or just make some mental notes, because those answers should guide you as you plan your future, your fall wardrobe, and pull things out. Not go shopping necessarily, but as you plan your fall wardrobe and go through your fall clothes and pick the things that you want to have front and center in your fall wardrobe. Think about the things that you wore a lot in the summer and what they have in common. Things that just feel good on you. Identify those. And then you're going to want to bring those forward in your fall clothes. An example might be, let's say there's a white or cream blazer. What's going on? The lights just flickered. A white or cream blazer that you wore all the time on repeat. I love pieces like that. Don't be afraid to wear things over and over again. I think that's great. That's a sign of a well thought out purchase. But what that might tell you is, all right, in the fall, I want to make sure I have a great go-to blazer. Make those notes that, okay, I went for this neutral or white blazer over and over again, and use that as a little, note to yourself when you're thinking about your fall wardrobe. Okay? Now, and the same thing goes with the other things that you really liked. The style of blouse, the neckline, what was it? Keep those things in mind, because it works for you, because those are the things you reached for over and over again. The next thing is the things that you didn't wear. First of all, are there items in your closet that you didn't wear that you love, that maybe are, like in my closet, crammed in the back, or in your kid's closet, or that you just out of sight, out of mind, never wore it? Well, ladies, now is the time. Pull those things out. They're collecting dust. Wear them. Whether it's a sundress or a blouse. Time's a ticking, especially if they're a true summer item. Pull them out and wear them. You own them. The type of dress that you had plenty of occasions to wear it, but you never chose it. You always chose something else. That's a sign that it can go. If you're constantly overlooking it, if you had an appropriate occasion to wear that item and you always pick something else, that's a red flag. You can donate it, but you got to make these decisions. And at the end of the season is a great time to do it, because you have that data. You know whether you wore it. In the beginning of the season, you're saying, oh yeah, I'm going to wear this, I'm going to wear that. But at the end of the season, the proof is in the closet. You didn't wear it. Think about why. And if you love it, now is the time. Just wear it. Who cares if it's a Tuesday and you're sitting at home? Who cares? Wear it. Now let's talk about moving forward to fall, because again, that's all data that you're going to use when you go forward to fall. So I want to tell you about the fall style system, because it is open for enrollment, and you can either go to my website, bestyledbybeth.com, and find it there, or there's a link directly to the information on this video. But it's already started. We're already in that Facebook group. And next week, starting on Tuesday, the day after Labor Day, I am doing 8 days in a row, only on the weekdays. I've picked a category from the shopping list. Let me back up. The fall style system is a seasonal system. It's not a membership. It's a one-time enrollment for $47 that gets you all this information, all this coaching for the full season through Thanksgiving into early December. And it's a one-time payment. There's no recurring charges, none of that. And with that, you get a list, a plan, and no willy-nilly shopping. You get a shopping list, or a checklist. It's not a shopping list, I'm sorry. It's a checklist of the items that I have kind of designated as being good to have, important to have for the fall season. Now, these are not specific. They're in that it's kind of a general category, this checklist, because you have to pick, and with my help and the help of the group, the item that works for you in that category, depending on whether you work at home, work out of an office, you're retired, you're caring for a elderly parent, you're caring for grandchildren, you're running after little kids. What you pick to fill those categories is going to depend on your lifestyle. And it's also going to depend on your body type, your coloring. I'm not going to say everybody needs a pink and red blouse. I mean, no, we're not all going to go buy the same blouse. Sometimes there's a blouse that a lot of us do buy if we have the same coloring, but it's not like that where we're not all buying. It's not a cookie cutter. This is the outfit. We're all going to look like we're twinning. That's not the idea, because everybody's different. Everyone has different style, aesthetic, bodies, budgets. You get it, okay? So you're going to get this list. And then starting in mid-September, every day, if you were here when I first started, you get you get it in an email, and you can just go on your device and get it. The outfit of the day, or the outfit prompt. This was the one for today in the summer style system, which is how I put together my outfit. And you can you don't need to copy it. It's a starting off point. Black bottoms, patterned or colored top, neutral shoe, necklace. It's very general, but it gives you a graphic, so you can kind of say, oh yeah, okay, I have a patterned blouse. I have black pants. I have a black skirt. I have black shorts. I have black jeans. Whatever it is that works for your day, and you plug it in, and in 5 minutes, really, you're good to go. So I invite you to join. Again, it's $47 for 3 months. You have the pieces that will make it easy to just get dressed this fall and feel modern, feel relevant, feel like feel not young, not younger. We're not out here to look younger. We're just here to feel better about ourselves. You have to put clothes on your body every day, like it or not. You might as well put clothes on that make you feel good and give you a better day, because they will. Trust me. But thank you for being here today. Now you can get on with your summer. If you haven't already, go just get dressed and have a great day. Mwah. Bye.